Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this particular video, I'm going to tell you how you can solve your screen freeze or screen stuck issues in your PC or desktop. So for doing this, you have to just do this some little settings that I am going to tell you. There is a shortcut key. After this, your problem will be solved. I will open virtual keyboard so that I can show you what shortcut key I am going to use. So first, to begin, we have to restart the graphic card. So for this we have to press Ctrl, then Shift, then Windows. After selecting these, we have to click on B for ball. Ctrl plus Shift plus Window plus B. After you do this, your graphic card will be restart. After the graphic card gets restart, your window will start functioning smoothly again and your stuck screen issue will be solved. I hope this worked in your PC. Thanks for watching this video.